Hello. This video shows a double-sided elegant waffle knit with an amazing amount of relief. It consists of 3 stitches and 4 rows. We start from the wrong side. Row 1 wrong side, we work with the loops grouped in 3s. Knit the first loop. Add 2 yarn over loops on both sides to the next loop, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over. Knit the third loop. Again, knit 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over, knit 1. Continue knitting using this pattern until the row is complete. Row 2 right side, we work with 3 loops and 2 yarn over stitches. Purl 1. From this 1 loop and 2 yarn over stitches, make a centered decrease of 2 loops from 3. Exchange the places of the first and second loop, taking them with the right hook in this way. Knit the third and slip it through the first 2. Purl 1 loop. Again, purl 1, decrease 2 loops of 3. Purl 1. Continue knitting using this pattern until the row is complete. Row 3 wrong side, purl all the loops from the beginning to the end of the row. Row 4 right side, knit all the stitches from the beginning to the end of the row. I have presented you with a unique waffle knit, appropriate for every season and every yarn. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. Thank you for being together. Please click the like button if you enjoy the video. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit with love and be happy. See you soon.